Do you have a Google Slides presentation but want to leave a couple slides out when you're presenting? Do you want your appendix slides sprinkled throughout the deck where they fit best? No need to move all your slides to the end. Just skip slides in one easy step. I'm Laura Mae Martin, Google's Productivity Advisor, here to show you how to work your space in Google Workspace. Today, we'll show you how to skip slides in Google Slides. In your Slides Edit view, right-click on the slide you want to skip and select Skip Slide from the menu. The slide will not show when you're in present mode. In print settings, you can toggle to include or exclude your skip slides while printing. So there you have it. Skip slides in your presentation in one easy step. If you have any questions about this tip, leave them in the YouTube comments below. Looking for more tips just like this? Follow Google Workspace on Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn.